UJ Library is big and very quiet. First time studying here? Everything feels new, intense, even scary. But here's the thing. The UJ Library is here to support you all the way. And with the UJ Library Services, your academic journey is made easier. How? Past exam papers. And here's how you can easily access them. Step 1. Open Chrome or Edge. Step 2. Search UJ Library. Step 3. Click the first link. Step 4. Scroll and click UJ Online Exam Papers. Step 5. Click Sign In and log in with your ULink details. Step 6. Change organization from staff to student. Step 7. In the search bar, type your full module name. Example, Business Management 1A. Step 8. Use filters on the left. Select past exam papers. Step 9. Click Preview and Download. You can also use your module code to search.